Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the key error and how to handle key error in Python. So a key error in Python occurs when you try to access a key in a dictionary that does not exist. Dictionaries uses key to retrieve value, much like looking up words in a dictionary. If you search for a word that is not listed in the dictionary, you will encounter a key error because the dictionary cannot find that corresponding definition. For example, if you have a dictionary representing fruit prices and you try to access the price of fruit that is not present in dictionary, then Python will raise a key error. This commonly happens when you assume a key exists in a dictionary, but actually it does not. So let's take the example that we have done in our previous video, saying that we have this over here, where we have the dictionary in which we have apple and we have banana. We have the prices over here, and we are printing the dictionary, and then we try to print the price of orange, or we are trying to access the key orange, which is not present in our dictionary, and we had used the lookup error in our previous video. Over here we just need to change the keyword saying that key error, and then over here we are saying hey user, key error occurred. So now if I run it, you can see that we are getting this message key error occurred because orange is not present in this dictionary. So in this code, Python attempts to access the price of orange in myDict dictionary. Since orange is not a key in the dictionary, a key error is raised. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the specific key error that occurred. This allows the program to handle situations where expected keys may not exist in the dictionary, and it also ensures robustness and preventing the crashes due to this missing data. Happy learning and see you in the next video.